Hi, this is Lee Thurburn again. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of how to set up your shopping cart. Okay, so over on the left-hand side, you're going to see a section that says shopping cart. If you click there and open that section, you're going to see about 13 or so different choices. And among those choices will be add product, which we'll come back to later, add categories and subcategories, import products, layout setup, product list, custom product fields, and so on. So actually the very first thing we're going to start with is under settings down here at the bottom. So if you'll click on settings, this is where you tell the system how you're going to get paid. And you can tell the system multiple different ways of being paid. We actually recommend Stripe. If you do not have a Stripe account, they're extremely easy to set up. You can just click right here and create an account that'll take you directly to Stripe. Now, Stripe and pretty much every other service that you can connect with have various different codes that they might call different things. But you're going to need to plug those in to connect our system to their system. Stripe has publish key and secret key. PayPal has the client ID and the client secret. NMI has an account username and an account password. So at the present, Stripe, PayPal, and NMI are the three choices that we have. NMI is a great service also. If you want to set up an account with NMI, just click on the click here button. If you want to give people the option to pay you by phone, simply turn the pay by phone option on. And at that point, you'll now be able to collect payment by phone. So that's how you connect up your payments. So that's really the first thing that you need to do. Now, at the bottom of your confirmation email, there's going to be a place for some footer text. And you can control what goes in the footer text by simply typing in something like so you can just simply type a little message, maybe make it a little larger if you'd like, and change the font, that sort of thing. This is just standard stuff that you can do. Now you can also grab the buyer's first name, copy that, and then come over here and paste it in. If you want to, you can actually grab some other data as well. And you even can grab company information as well and put this in. But this will be on the confirmation email that goes out. All right, so we'll just go ahead and save the changes that we've made. And next, we want to set up the sales tax and the shipping rates. So click on sales tax and shipping rates. And depending upon where you're selling and what your taxes are, you'll need to input this. Now, you almost certainly are going to have to pay sales tax in the state where you're located. So we're located in Texas, so I'll click Add New. We're going to choose Texas as our rate, and 8.25% is the standard rate across Texas. So we're just going to click Save Changes, and so now you'll see that Texas has been added. And if we want to add additional states, we can. If you want to charge for shipping, then click on Shipping Rates and recognize that we have some different options available for you. So you can have standard and non-standard shipping rates for each and every product. This will make a little bit more sense when you review the Add Product tutorial. But you can have standard and non-standard shipping rates. The standard shipping rates will control if the product does not have a non-standard shipping rate option turned on. So the first choice is that the system will ignore the non-standard shipping rates and charge only the standard rate based upon the subtotal. The second option is that the system will compare the standard and the non-standard and will charge the higher of the standard or the non-standard rate. The third option is that the system will charge the sum of both standard plus non-standard for your shipping. In other words, you may have a really big item that has a separate shipping process. Maybe it ships bulk freight, so you're going to charge the non-standard for that. And then the smaller items that you ship in, say, one box, you charge your standard. So that would be what that's for. And then the fourth option is to add all of your non-standard together, then charge the higher of the standard or the non-standard. So different options. The most common option is just simply to leave it here. Now, let's add a shipping rate. So I'm going to click on shipping rate, and we allow you to set up ranges. So your bottom range would be 0.00 or 0.01, and the top price in your range, you could set it anywhere. You could set it at $9,999.99 or $9 million. I mean, it's whatever you want. If you want to have different ranges, which is actually pretty common, you might set it from, say, the first range would be from a penny to $99.99. Okay, so, or maybe $100 even. Now, you might have a standard price, which ships the slowest possible of $9.95. 2-day shipping might be $19.95. And next day might be $29.95. This is whatever you want to charge, so we'll save that. And now under shipping rates, you'll see that we have a standard rate for $0 to $100. It's $9.95 for standard, then 2-day, then next day is $29.95. Let's add another rate. So this will be from 100.01 to, say, 199.99. So for larger orders, we might charge more, or we might charge less. Let's say we're going to charge $8.95 for standard, $14.95 for 2-day, and $24.95 for next day. So we're rewarding customers for making larger purchases. If we go look at shipping rates here now, you see that if it's under $100, you charge $9.95. If it's between $100 and $200, you charge $8.95, and so on. So you can create as many different rates as you want. So we'll charge $200 through $4.99, and maybe we'll make standard $4.95. We'll make 2-day $9.95, and we'll make next day $14.95. So this just gives you an example of how you could set things up. You could charge whatever you want to. So now you've got your pricing in for your standard pricing. Okay, so that takes care of sales tax, shipping rate, and how you get paid. Those are the primary fields that you need to set up. Now I want you to watch the next video, which is how to add products. Thank you.